Well, I'm here today with Neil Emery of Hornady Manufacturing, and we're going to be talking about some of their 2020 launches of some of their products. I'm excited about this because I use Hornady ammunition all the time, and so it is always accurate for me, and it's always the right hunting loads as well. So I'd like you to talk to us about some of the things you're excited about.
Sure. So we did our 2020 launch a couple months ago. That's when we announced them. It's kind of the beginning of the sales season for our whole industry, basically. But not all of the products are out on the market yet because they are 2020 new launches. We had some new items, a new product line, a few new bullets, a number of line extensions to existing product lines and so on, a few new tools, a few new safes, things like that. But what most people want to talk about are the new bullets or new ammo items, things like that. So last year, mid-year, we don't usually do mid-year launches, but we did a mid-year launch last year where we did the A-tip bullet. This is a match bullet. You know, we've already done very, very, very well with our ELD match bullets.
Right, yes.
But never content to just sit with what we have. Basically, the edict was given to our team of engineers, like, okay, make something better. Wow. Let's say cost isn't an option. What's the ultimate? Like, do what you can. So they put their heads together, like, well, we could improve on polymer tips and so on by going to aluminum because we can make them longer, we can precision turn them, we can play with the relationship between the center of gravity versus the center of pressure of a bullet and make it how we want it. We've messed with aluminum tips in the past. We've actually done them for decades in our 50 BMG bullet. In the 90s we did some aluminum tips, but they haven't been cost productive for your standard match bullet.
Right.
There's much better market for it now where we can justify doing a precision turned aluminum tip. It does add cost, but there's something to be gained for some of the competitive shooters that are out there.
Yes.
In addition to that, there's other design changes and so on that we've done compared to some of our other bullets, and also the way we handle them. They come off of the press, and a robotic hand basically puts them right into the packaging, one after the other after the other. So you get basically 100 little clones in each box, and you can buy 5 boxes together in a sleeve, 500 bullets that came off the press, one after the other, and you can also buy 2 sleeves together that are still sequential.
So what is your requirements on these in terms of how their weight requirements? Obviously these are for competitive shooters. Mm-hmm. So what are you requiring out of that manufacturing process?
We have certain standards, and they're not something that we broadcast, but they all have to shoot. They go through a lot of tests. When the press is being set up, they send bullets down to our lab or over to our lab, they shoot them, they have to shoot, and they have to check them every so often to make sure that they're grouping with these established accuracy loads the way we want them to.
Mm-hmm. Okay. I've been able to go out and shoot with competitive shooters recently, long-range shooters. I'm not in their league, but I am impressed with the kinds of products that you guys are putting out to help those folks to achieve at that level.
Yeah, one of the big things is for not everybody hand loads. Not everybody wants to hand load these. So if you have a 6.5 Creedmoor, a 6.5 PRC, a 300 PRC, even 308s, other cartridges, you can find match accurate ammunition that doesn't require reloading and it doesn't require breaking the bank, and really the 6.5 Creedmoor has done wonders in that world, where you can get some really high performance ammo right off the shelf.
Right out of the box.
Right out of the box.
Well, Neil, thank you so much for talking to us today.
Sure.
About your wonderful products.
I appreciate it.